Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to make a second YouTube channel under the same Google account. The process is quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open YouTube and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Once you're on the home page, click your profile icon in the top right corner. If you're signed in with multiple Google accounts, select Switch Account and choose the Google account where you want to create the new YouTube channel. After selecting the correct account, click your profile icon again and choose Settings. On the Settings page, click Create a Channel. If you'd like, you can upload a profile picture for your new channel, or you can skip this step and add one later. Next, enter the name you want for your new YouTube channel. Then, choose a unique channel handle, also known as your @username. Once everything looks good, click Create Channel. That's it! Your second YouTube channel has now been created under the same Google account. To manage your new channel, simply click your profile icon and open YouTube Studio. Whenever you want to switch between your channels, click your profile icon, select Switch Account, and choose the channel you want to use. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.